Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this knife set from Victorinox. Wood. Ooh, from the makers of the original Swiss Army knife. Established in 1884. Amazing, amazing. Cool. Here's the back. All right, let's get into it. Wow. Amazing, amazing. Very high quality looking knife set. Very good reviews. And I will not take these out. Don't want to injure myself during this unboxing video. But yeah, I wanted to show you all the quality of this knife set. Cool, I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can order this from. Please let me know what you think of this knife set in the comment section below. And hope you're all doing well. Take care and catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.